Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Examiner of this final project proposal examination. I hope you are all in a good health. Here, let me introduce myself. My name is Virastaka Andren Pratama from Marine Engineering Department. I will present my final project proposal. The topic is experimental study of variation disturbance cylinder diameter ratio effect on Savonius wind turbine performance with additional overlap ratio. For introduction to the research consists of background, statement of the problem, purpose, benefits, and limitation. This research has a background. Energy is an important need for humans. Most human activities require electrical energy. Utilization of electrical energy still use non-renewable energy source. Based on the 2019 Indonesia Energy Outlook, the use of non-renewable energy such as coal, oil, and natural gas is still high. Indonesia has the potential for renewable energy, namely wind energy. The average wind speed in Indonesia falls into the category of low wind speed. The wind turbine that is suitable for use for low wind speeds in the Savonius wind turbine. The Savonius wind turbine has a simple structure shaped like the letter S. On the convex side, it is called advancing blade, while on the convex side, it is called returning blade. Previous research by Setiawan by adding a disturbance cylinder in front of the returning blade proved to be effective in reducing the drag force in front of the returning blade. So the difference in the drag force of the two blades increase, causing the power to also increase. Next. The problem statement of the research. First, how is the effect of addition, overlap, and various diameters ratio of disturbance cylinder in front of returning blade to torque coefficient? Second, how is the effect of addition, overlap, and various diameter ratio of the turbine cylinder in front of returning blade to power coefficient? The third, how is the best performance of the Savonius turbine after the addition of overlap and various diameters ratio of disturbance cylinder placed in front of the returning blade side? Next, the aim of the research. The first is to know effect of addition, overlap, and various diameter ratio of disturbance cylinder in front of returning blade to torque coefficient. The second is to know effect of addition, overlap, and various diameters ratio of disturbance cylinder in front of returning blade to power coefficient. Third is to know best performance of the Savonius turbine after the addition of overlap and various diameter ratio of disturbance cylinder placed in front of the returning blade side. Next, the benefit of the research. First, as a method to increase Savonius wind turbine performance. Second, as a means of information to develop a more optimal and efficient Savonius wind turbine. Third, provide an explanation of the effect of giving a disturbance cylinder. and overlap variation on the TSR value torque coefficient and turbine power coefficient. Fourth, the experimental result can be used as a reference in the next experiment. And five, as a learning for writer and institute for the related topic. For the last is the limitation of this research. Using conventional Savonius turbine, flow assumption in steady state condition, when considered as incompressible fluid in constant density, using Savonius turbine with a diameter of 40 centimeters and a height of 40 centimeters. Only analyze Savonius wind turbine, generator load, and electrical output ignored. Experiments were carried out with various diameters of disturbance cylinder used TS per D, where 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and is negligible. Variation of wind speed 1 meter per second, 3 meter per second, 5 meter per second, and 7 meter per second. In this study, using a distance with a ratio of 0.95. Literature review. Overlap is the distance or gap between the advancing plate and the returning plate. In Tanya research, the experiment was carried out using 4 variations of specimen, consisting of overlap 0.15, 0.2, 0.12, 0.25, and 0.3. Tests are carried out to find the coefficient of power from each variation made. For wind spin, using a speed of 1 meter per second to 7 meter per second. From the average wind speed of 1 meter per second to 7 meter per second shows that the overlap ratio of 0.3 has the highest coefficient of power. In a study conducted by Nasrullah about the effect of adding a circular cylinder to the performance of the vertical axis Savonius water turbine. The dimension of the turbine used are 40 cm for the turbine height and 40 cm for the diameter. This research used variation in diameter ds per d 0.2, 0.3, and 0.4, and distance variation S per d 0.5, 0.9, and 1.65. Cylinder placement is placed on the advancing plate. From the gap, it can be concluded that placing the disturbance cylinder makes the turbine have optimal performance. Other research is also done by Setiawan about the effect of the stagger angel attack to the front set of the Savonius wind turbine returning blade. This study used a numerical study, then the numerical results are validated with existing experiments. The cylinder diameter ratio is 0.5 and the S per D ratio is 0.95. With varying TSR of 0.3, 0.5, 0.7, 0.9, and 1.1 and 1.3. And for Stengel angel of 0.3, 0, 30, 60, and 90 degrees. The results show that the maximum power coefficient increased about 29% at a TSR of 0.9 for staggered angle of 60 degrees. This is the methodology used in the research. And the last is the schedule for this research. The honorable examiners, I have presented all the content of my final projects. That's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention. I will be ready to answer the question, and I hope answer the question. Thank you very much.